Forever staying at the forefront of the industry, today we're here at their Kilburn store to learn about a new product called Biax and how you can use it in your new build. Dave, I can see a lot of it here at Bianco, but I need to know more about it. What is a Biax pod or the foundation system?
What is a Biax pod? That's a good question. A Biax pod is a void-forming concrete slab system. So in total, what it does, it reduces the volume of concrete that we're doing in. It's providing ribs throughout the slab to stiffen it up so the concrete sits off the ground rather than on the ground or in the ground.
Okay, sounds innovative. That sort of technology, what's its best application, mate?
The application we use right across the board, from residential all the way through to commercial as well.
Yep.
So the original Biax was formed around a commercial product, and then they looked over the fence and said they can help the residential market, so hence why we ended up with the smaller stuff. So we do a lot of new homes, knockdown rebuilds, childcare centres, things like that. The sort of where our growth is at this present time, and we're moving further into factories and bits and pieces like that as well.
Dave, there are other foundation sort of systems out there.
There is.
What sets this one apart from the others?
This one's different. It's we're not a deemed to comply product. We're a first principle engineering product.
What does that mean?
What's that mean? There's two sections of ASA 2870, Section 3 and Section 4. We're Section 4 of the code, which is first principle engineering. So
Gotcha.
like a raft slab that you've got to sit down and work everything out, you've got to work everything out with these. In saying that, we've got Waffle Suite, which is our engineering program that helps the engineers. I just call it a engineering calculator to make life a bit easier for them. It does the maths.
Love it.
So you put the relevant information in there, the soil conditions, the soil type, the weight of the house, the length, the width, all that information goes in there. It spits out the result of what requirements you can do with the steel reinforcement.
Great.
The pod itself comes in at a 215 and a 145, so the 215 is a 300 slab with an 85mm thick slab, and the 145 is a 230. So we call it the primary pod and the step down pod. So we use the 145 in our wet areas, so the slab itself can be all done on one flat bench, and you don't have to dig in the ground and cause pools where the water can do during construction. Yep. So the builder or the concreter can just work no matter what.
You'd think in an industry like building and construction, the mantra would be, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just keep doing it the way we've always done it. Well, when it comes to the team at Biax, they are obviously bucking the trend, always looking to innovate and evolve for the greater good of the industry. Now, normally I'd say, if you want to know more about a product, visit the website, and sure, you can do that. Or, in this instance, I reckon, visit one of 8 Bianco stores, chat to the friendly team.